You want to hold Ebron?
Sorry?
Take it.
It's okay, oh my God, thank you.
Ayun nga mga kachang, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng sarili nating coffee dito sa Starbucks Coffee dito sa Aman.
We use Mastrena in Starbucks.
That Mastrena 2, not Mastrena 1.
Ah, okay. The one that you need to press immediately.
Yes.
So, teach me how to use this one because it's different for us.
Okay. Pour them in the grind size.
At ito na nga mga kachang, gagawin na natin ang ating order na white mocha. Dahil inalok ako ng dalawang staff kung gusto kong gawin yung order kong coffee. Since nalaman nilang nag-work ako before sa Starbucks Coffee sa Qatar. At shout out pala sa aking manager na napaka-supportive dahil siya ang nag-video sa akin dyan.
Then coffee, how to grind?
How to grind? Espresso, blonde espresso, medium roast. Yes. Guatemala. What do you want?
Press it.
Espresso dark, blonde espresso. Okay, Guatemala.
I
What
go
do you
for
want?
the dark.
Dark?
Yeah.
That's dark. That's blonde. That's medium. It's dark. Okay, double chop.
So once I press, I will press
Yes,
this one.
just
This one.
yes, just.
So may sequence, there's a sequence.
That's
for white
correct.
mocha.
You want it for you? Yes. 4 pump.
Oh, it's
Grande
for-
size 4 pump. Yes. Oh, that's it. No. No, no.
Waiting for me to see.
You.
By the way mga kachang, tong video nga na ito ay nung December pa. Bali, na-miss ko lang bigla yung Starbucks kaya bigla ko siyang na-post. And since gumagawa na tayo ng mga reels, at wala nga akong masabi sa staff sa tabi ko at kahit alam niyang nag-work tayo before sa Starbucks, talagang ina-assist niya ako.
After 4 years.
At dito nga sa Starbucks, dito sa Jordan mga kachang, hindi sila nag-hire ng foreigners. Talagang ang mga empleyado dito is lahat ay Jordanian. At ayun nga mga kachang, susubukan sana natin gumawa ng rosetta pero ang ating nabuo ay heart lang.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
It's supposed to be hard. Not perfect.
Not bad, just perfect.
Thank
No,
you.
no, shit.
Because now I work in Movenpick Aqaba.
Akaba?
Yeah.
What do you want?
She's my manager.
Wow.
In Italian restaurant.
Wait.